Alright guys and gals, welcome back to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel, and man, check it out. The old Tempest, old Gertie, is back on the road. Transmission is working really good, and this week I finally got to drive my old car back to work, and boy was that a relief. It feels good driving these old cars, and you definitely get more thumbs up in these things and waves and head nods and all that stuff versus driving an old short bus that I've been driving to work. And but this thing, I'm glad to be getting this thing back on the road and back into putting work in. All right guys, just got home in old Tempest, and man, it done some good work today. And I've been driving the bus every day, and the thing's been a good one, the old bus has, but it sucks the diesel fuel up pretty good. So I'm glad to be back in the old daily banger there. Old Gertie, old four-door Tempest is doing good. So let's get on into the episode here today. We got a lot going on. We've got stuff to talk about from Tons Performance, about their plug wires. We got all kinds of stuff going on in the shop, getting things cleaned up, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys and gals, definitely we got to get these Tons Performance brand new spark plug wires on the full metal go. Big shout out to them. These things are really nice. I highly suggest go checking out their website and tell them I sent you. Alright guys, so operation putting banners and sponsored products on the walls and in our backgrounds has officially begun. So I got Mr. Jesse's help tonight on just hammering this out to try to get at least a start on this. You guys can see there's messes everywhere, so we wanted to try at least get something going here to see what we can come up with, and I'm getting really excited the way this looks. Alright, so just for an example, you can actually see the floor over here now. That's like, I'm seriously getting after it. My next step is this corner right here. I'm actually going to be making a little room or something on the side of our shop to get all of our sheet metal, our spare metal, and actually clean this whole entire corner out. My goal is this whole entire wall and shelf will be nothing but sponsor, trophy, banner, advertisement, pictures of hot rods and stuff like that is nothing but what's going to be on this wall, and almost all the way around the shop as well. So we're working on it. We're getting there. We made the first big move on this section. The next one is that one right there. So we're getting there, guys. Heck yeah. All right, guys, we got to give a quick shout out to At Your Convenience On-Site Oil Services. They helped us out in getting us a pit box or a toolbox to organize all of our tools and stuff at the track. We were working out of some small ones, and it was really disorganized and all that stuff. And they hooked us up with this thing, and it should help us out a ton. So now we can roll our tools out, get it beside the hot rod at the track, and literally everything is organized, nice and neat and orderly, and this will help us out a ton at the track. So big shout out At Your Convenience. And now a cool thing is we're going to strap this thing onto here and this thing as well. So this has got all of our valve train parts and tools, and this is like our tool caddy for the car. So that way when we roll this thing outside, we're ready to rock and roll. Alrighty guys, check it out. We got 2 brand new banners to go up on our walls. So big shout out to you guys sharing our post. The banner deal seems to be kicking off really well. Big shout out to Ace Garage Doors. They are a returning sponsor of ours. They are a local business. They work on anything and everything garage door related. Big shout out to them. They want to get a banner up in the shop, and we're going to make it happen. Brand new sponsor. This is the first time we've ever worked with these guys. So big shout out to Cinzilla.com. They are an AMSOIL dealer. Big shout out to them. Be sure to check out their website. Man, anything and everything AMSOIL related, you want to check them out, and they'll get you hooked up. And be sure to tell them I sent you. So they got a Facebook page and they got a website. So be sure and check them out. Big shout out to them. So heck yeah, guys. Appreciate everybody working with us on this. It's going to help us out. My main mission is we are going to be completely making the shop nicer, cleaner, and also getting sponsor logos, sponsor products, and things like that in the background of my videos when we're working on our hot rods, whether it be my ride, whether it be customer rides. We are working hardcore on trying to get the shop completely redone and more organized and have a really cool backdrop in the background when we're working on these things. So you guys can see we're getting stuff reorganized. We got our toolboxes in different locations. Me and Jesse have worked real hard on this side, getting this wall almost completely cleared out, and we've got a lot more to go. But I really appreciate companies and folks working with us. I'm really excited about this. If you're also interested in getting your logo on my race car for this upcoming season, be sure to holler at me. Let's get something worked out, and let's make it happen. Now's the time to get things planned out, get your logo in a good spot and all that stuff. And heck yeah, guys. So we appreciate everybody. Thank y'all for being subscribed. Oh, and big announcement. We just hit 13,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. And y'all be sure to holler at us and check us out on YouTube. All right, guys, let's take a break from this cleaning here real quick. We'll grab Miss Loretta Sue, and I'm ready to smoke some bologna and have a little sandwich real quick, and then we'll get back at it. So let's go make us a sandwich. Come on, Loretta, dance. You gonna dance? That's pretty good. Boom. Let's check this out right here, guys. Y'all see that right there? Hannah. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's gonna be good.
Gourmet right here.
But that's gonna be good though. Smoked bologna cheese. All right, I've got the toast toasted. I'll go get it, okay?
All right, sounds good.
All right, babe. I've got the toast. Slap them on there.
Oh, you do bologna mayonnaise. I do cheese mayonnaise.
Yeah, Hannah's weird. She wants her mayonnaise on her cheese
so
sauce.
it's wrong. Hold on.
You want it on cheese side, right?
Yeah, I want on cheese side, but that's my mayonnaise right there.
Okay.
Bologna
Cheese sauce. Boom. You're in business. All right, there we go. It's time to test out our propane heater tonight with a fried bologna sandwich. What do you think?
There we go.
There we go.
Can't get no better than that.
All right, can't get no better. Here we go, guys. Let's test this out. All right, guys. Nothing like a good old warm fried, or in this case, a smoked bologna cheese sandwich on a cold night in the shop, and the propane heater is working killer. And it's time to get these banners up to start kind of organize this, how this is going to look. None of the locations of these is like final. I'm trying to figure out how we're going to have all this laid out, but it's going to take a minute, but we're going to get it. I think it's going to look pretty good. So we wanted to go ahead and get Senzilla.com put up. That's the AMSOIL distributor. So we appreciate them big time. And we also wanted to get Ace garage doors hung up and see how all this is going to start to kind of lay out here. So heck yeah, man, we definitely appreciate everybody, and we definitely want to try to keep getting as many of these banners, as much of this stuff coming as possibly we can get.
What's going on, YouTube world? This is old Jesse, but come on down. I'm at the location where we're going to have the car show. It's called Nolichucky Baptist Church down on Highway 107. Come on down, hang out. We're going to be here. It's the car show's called Hootie Kings on the Nolly. It's November 30th from 10 to 3. And how to get in the show, you literally donate a toy or a something warm for the winter time. Of course, the toys are for the kids. That's Christmas is coming, so that's for the kids and all. And it's all for the flood victims that's suffered down through here. So yeah, guys, come on out. We're gonna have trophies paying down to first and third, and we're going to give it a shot. I don't know if it's going to go through or not, but we're going to have a bicycle show also. So bring your bicycles or bring your hot rod, or heck, bring them together. We're going to have trophies paying from like first to third. So I don't know if that'll be either going to be a blowout or a bust. You just never know. So guys, come on out and hang out. Peace.
Alright guys, what's going on? We're coming to the end of the video here.
Yeah, man.
And guys, literally today, the banner deal has been kicking off good.
It's been a cool ordeal for sure, man.
It has. We got an additional sponsor on today. That's Simzilla.com.
Yeah, man.
These guys are a dealer for AMSOIL. Check out these hats. Heck yeah, man. Appreciate them.
I've been wanting a nice grease hat, so this right here will work out good.
There you go. Heck yeah.
I can leave my going down hats to the side.
You got you a high performance grease and oil hat.
Yeah,
right
exactly.
There you go. So heck yeah, guys. The banner deal is working out good. Me and Jesse's been working on banners and cleaning the shop. Thank you for your help on this deal.
Yeah,
man. We moved this whole section here.
Yeah.
That was an ordeal. But we're getting there. We're slowly making our way around the shop. And this thing's gonna be good. So yeah, guys, this episode, big shout out to Ace Garage Doors, old David.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, thanks, brother.
That's right. And Simzilla.com. Appreciate them.
Look them up.
AMSOIL, heck yeah, all the way.
If you need a garage door hung up on the wall, call Dave. He's the man. I've dealt with him in the past. They don't even say a word. They just show up, get the job done, and they're out the driveway. They go. They keep it simple. So.
Yeah, they do a good job. So, anyways, guys, that's it for us today. Thank y'all so much, guys. We're hammered down. Hey, we hit 13,000 subscribers.
Golly, that's crazy, man. Never would have
it's
thought
blowing
that.
up, man.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
Thank you guys so much.
Means the world. I can remember when me and him was what, 27-year-old, 26-year-old.
Just a couple years old.
Yeah, just putting rear end on this thing. Now look at us.
Just a couple years back, we started this, and
This thing's still hanging around. We're still ugly. It just.
There you go. Hey, yeah, guys, we appreciate you so much. Thank y'all for everything, and guys, we're gonna get on out of here.